saw some news on social media that the U.S. government is considering extending the tax credits by another 4 to 6 years or so. That's good for solar, and it looks to be that might have been the catalyst that moved solar today. You can look at the TAN, the solar ETF, had a really big move today, big gap up, and it's at a major level here. It's just been bottoming out for a long time, and it's got a really good chart going. Solar stocks, I have a lot of them in the basket. It's not just CSIQ. I like NXT. NXT has the best fundamentals of all the solars that I've looked at. They have really good return on equity. Like they grow shareholders' equity every year, and really good margins and consistency in operations. It's a really good fundamental company, NXT, and as a CSIQ, which I believe is going to be good long term. FTCI is a good one too. They've had some really good growth in the past. Looks like they've had some bad earnings reports lately, but I like this one long term too. And First Solar is a good one, and ARRY. They're the same business as a Next Tracker. They do these solar tracking systems. It's pretty simple. It just makes sure the solar panels facing the sun at the right times. It's really simple. But the NXT is the superior one. And TE Energy. TE, this was a company that they merged with another company that I found a long time ago, with Freyr Battery, and I did a write-up on that. And TE, of course, is getting a lot of publicity lately because of that Leopold investor has a holding. And ASTI, this one's a good one too. It's more of a play on space solar. It's like a space solar play. That one looks like it hasn't even gotten really much momentum here from that, but I like the ASTI. And speaking of the space, I like the Voyager. I have this one just as a small position. They did an IPO recently, and it hasn't really gotten much momentum as much as the other space stocks because space is so big right now with the SpaceX IPO. More on the ASTI, the Ascent Solar. This company, they make superior solar panels for space. I did some research on their solar panels a while ago, and they're really perfect for space. They can handle the sub-zero temperatures. They're flexible. They're lightweight. They're resistant to debris in space, which is big. Ascent Solar Power has this cutting-edge thin film PV technology, and they've had a partnership with NASA. They've actually tested these with NASA. Technology is legit, and when everyone's all excited and giddy about the space solar, which is going to be years away, but this one, they have a real shot to me of being a major supplier. I didn't do a lot of research on competitors. I couldn't find any competitors that make the exact same solar panels. They seem to be the only kind that are like that. I mean, maybe that's changed in the past year or two. I don't know, but I can't say for sure that they have no competitors that are similar. But it's definitely a play on the space solar as that continues to emerge.